Have you heard of Opaline?
So it's basically any color that can be found in an opal. And opals have a lot of different colors. I guess for me, Opaline just represents the healing power of music and fellowship. I want you to feel like you're in a dream. I want you to feel like you're just having a night that you can relax and you can just be loved, receive love, give love with no judgment.
Something very brilliant is happening in DC. And I think Opaline does a good job of platforming it.
The other day I was talking to a reverend or whatever around 7, and he told me all dogs go to heaven. I said, what about niggas? Then he paused for a second. It's like every other party, all them niggas smoking let in. So they might have to cut your let out. I was like, really? Then he kept venting. It's like something wrong with him. Every time the strong hit him, they forget it all with him. Bustin' straps and sticking the clips in, bustin' rubbers and sticking the tips in. Oh, you one of them savage ass niggas. Had to let that nigga know I was limitless. Not the average type of citizen dealing with, even though I still be on my nigga shit. In contrast to them niggas preeminent, still stunt like a motherfucking gymnast.
There's just so much variety here in DC, and there are so many things to love, and like we present ourselves in different ways. But honestly, all the people that I platform here, I feel like are doing something positive through their music.
I got his picture. It's on my dresser, right next to my bed. He doesn't know me, but I should.
Jet Magazine had an excerpt. It said, Oprah throws a party. That reminds me of what I feel like right now. I feel like I'm in the midst of a young facilitator on the rise.